YouTube. What's going on, man? It's been a while. Just waking up. Type shit. So this is gonna be a get ready with me video. I wash the dogs, clean up. So get ready with me. Part 1. Alright, YouTube. So I'm gonna set y'all up real quick, man. Let y'all hit a cold start of that thing, you feel me? So I'm gonna set y'all up, man. That wasn't even a proper intro, but I'm gonna set y'all up and let y'all get a cold start. Hope y'all boys hear it. So, that's how I sound when we don't drive it in like 3 days. Still sound good. Surprisingly, hold up, focus. Still sound good. Surprisingly, I still got gas in it, man. But I just figured I'd pick up the camera today, man. Let's see, we got the big body 4 behind, so you know we gotta give it a daily start too. See if it still got power in it. So, the 4 has started up, so that means it still got power. You know, I'm gonna draw this probably tonight, get a POV in it. But today we got the 4, the charger. So we locking it up, about to go do what we do today. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man, if y'all haven't already. You see we still got the tires in the back. We still yet to get the tires done. But this is some shit that the charger do. I'm gonna give you the POV footage now. But this is some shit the charger do, right? You see that shit? Focus, hold up, focus. I don't know if y'all can see it, but y'all can see it's focused. It got the numbers up here, but it still got the tire pressure. How? When none of my tires are low. Oh, my front tire is low. 26. Alright. Yeah, I thought I was tripping. So, I'm gonna get it fixed today. Why are they calling me Cece? I ain't talked to her in a minute, bro. That shit crazy. Like, I'm not even gonna say I used to, cause I still do got good people in my corner. But like, I miss having like my day-to-day people I could call on some normal shit. Like, we could chop it up, vent, all that type shit. You feel me? Like, it ain't nothing better than having like a good friend like that, man. You feel me? Like, it is nothing better than having a good friend like that. Y'all always need that type of friend, man. Like, y'all could chop it up, y'all could bid, y'all could call. You feel what I'm saying? Like, it's always a good thing having a friend like that. But we about to get on the highway. I should have put Waze on. Look, I'm slacking, man. Because when the highway pack, I put Waze on. The Waze tell me which way to go to work. That's gonna be quicker. Feel me? If y'all boys don't got a radar like me yet, man, Waze is y'all best friend. I'm trying to tell y'all, Waze, it tells me where all the cops at and everything. Waze, man, download it, get to it, you feel me? Waze is the best app that you can have, and this is no free promo, like, no bullshit. Like, Waze, bro, Waze help a nigga out so much, bro. But, I'm gonna end up taking these 22s off and selling them. I really don't like them. Why is he moved all the way up when there's a green light? What the fuck is wrong with him? People gotta let her drive. I end up taking the 22s off and selling them. I don't really like the performance. It's a lot more rough. Like, I thought people was lying when they said that shit. No, when you have 22-inch rims, the performance of the ride is extremely tough. Like, bro, it make no sense sometimes how rough the ride be, you feel me? I don't think it's worth it at all. So I'm gonna go back to my 22-inch rim, my 20-inch rims, and I'm gonna throw 275 on the back so the grip better, so I can have a wide body base. Fix my bearings, I'm gonna have to cut up and get out of the drift. It's too many trucks. That's one thing I hate about it's always a Honda drive. I'm always trying to be this car really a heavy boat right now. I got tools in here, I got got 2 rims in here, like fucking jumper cables in here, my pump in here. Like I had to get the Ford back up and running, so this is like my truck. But look, and I tell y'all, look, it's not on there though. Gotta report it. Gotta report it. Look, I'm the active one on Weeds. Trying to tell you, man, I be reporting that shit. Trying to tell y'all gotta stay on this app. This app tell you, bro. Look, somebody already on it. They already on it. You feel me? You gotta stay on this app, bro. Got to, bro. No bullshit. But I'm gonna hit y'all up when I get a little bit more closer, so I can get a little cut up footage. You feel me? So I'm gonna put y'all down for like a quick second. Alright, so we're back, man. Check Waze. Look, traffic, bro. That's why I love I take this side. Look, when this traffic like this, bro. When it's traffic like this, bro, it said we gonna get to our destination at 10:09, bro. No, what we gonna do is we gonna take Kelly. We just gonna take Kelly Drive, bro. That's cat. That's cat. Real talk, that's cat. Now we switch from Waze to Maps, cause Waze, one thing I can say about Waze, man, Waze don't be catching on. Like Waze don't catch the drift. You feel me? Like when you about to switch the route real quick, Waze be on some dumb shit. Like, so you gotta switch the app real quick. You feel me? That's the only thing about Waze that is like it don't pick up on the shortcuts. It give you the long routes around. You feel me? So we about to take Ridge. Shit, the highway's in 20 minutes. And it's 9 something, you feel me? We ain't get to work on time. So we about to take Ridge, man. Let me know if y'all fuck with these POVs, man. Better quality. Yeah, better quality. I just feel like the only thing about the POVs, the camera, I gotta be all the way back here with it and shit. I probably gotta get a suction cup. Get the suction cup put on my put the suction cup on my window and shit, so I can get y'all better POV footage. But I mean, it's cool for right now, you feel me? I can't complain. Definitely good footage though. Extra clear, you feel me? I gotta put air in that time as soon as I get to the stopping in too, man. How y'all be feeling, man? How y'all be feeling? Like, what do y'all really want me to bring to this channel? Cause I feel like every time I drop a POV, it get views, but I feel like, I don't know, I feel like nothing got the most views to taking interest of new cars. So if I have to bring y'all new cars every week, like, damn. Look at the V, hype as hell. Still gonna make this light. These bumps up here, yo. Dodging these bumps is like, I don't know. It's like you gotta do everything in your right mind to dodge these bumps. These potholes will take your car out. No cat. No kissing. But I think I went the wrong way. No, I did not. Why is it telling me to bust it? Nah, brother. That's what we gotta do. We gotta put up way highways. One thing about this John is it's gonna do some dumb shit every time. Damn, the highway was actually better. I mean, it's not that much off. They just hear you run into lights more. Highway, it was like 10:09, 10:11. There ain't really big difference. You know what I gotta invest into? A joint for my phone is stick, bro. Sure, like, I need one of them, like, bad. Cause like this whole phone in hand on steering wheel, camera up type shit, you feel me? Like it's just starting to become a little bit too much. It's a little bad, just a little bad, just a little bad. had to get the camera, man. You feel me? I had to get the camera. I feel like I had to give our boys better POV footage. You feel me? It's only right. I mean, I could have went GoPro 10 or GoPro 11. You feel me? The newest GoPro. But I just feel like every couple months, GoPro dropping a new GoPro like fucking like iPhones. Like, you feel me? Like, let me know what y'all think, man, about the POV. Like, y'all think? I feel like the only thing about it is I gotta focus on the road, like get right here. Attention, you feel me? Let me know what y'all think about the POVs right now, man. I feel like I got this camera because I know for a fact that like once these POVs take off and you feel me, I get to the like subscriber count I want, and I can start venturing off to different things on YouTube. So you gotta be prepared at all times, man. You gotta stay prepared so you want to get prepared, you feel me? Like, I know for a fact I want to bring y'all like clothing content, sneaker pickups, mods, pickup for the cars, you feel me? Go picking up rims, go picking up, you know, doing different things. Ain't nothing too much. Ain't nothing too much, but you know what I'm saying? Like, after the small cosmetics on the car, I feel like it is weird, but don't judge me, judge your mama, you feel me? But it's weird with how I do my car because I usually do the small cosmetics first, like brake calipers, the rims, I usually take the engine bay parts off, do the engine bay, detail the engine, inside the engine, you feel me? Oil change, you feel me? Brakes, you feel me? And then like I worry about the look of the car last. So when I say the look of the car, like I'm kind of stuck because I found the guy down in North Carolina. Work is good quality work, but it's reasonable. It's a reasonable price. Like, you feel me? Like, I feel like in this Mopar game, you gotta try to save as much money and bring the best content as possible. Because I'm gonna tell you this, right? In this Mopar game, people will upcharge you. People will upcharge you just to do a simple fucking job. You feel me? Like, I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna try to learn how to do my six piston Brembo brakes myself. Because I ain't gonna lie, like as long as I got tools and I got YouTube, bro, I'm cool, I'm Gucci, you feel me? Like, I feel like some people they upcharge you because they know the car, you feel me? Like, they know the car, they fix cars, but not only that they know cars and they fix cars, it's really because this car is like a popular car, you feel me? So it's like they can upcharge you. They can like, you know what I'm saying, get off because it's a popular car, you feel me? Like, who wouldn't want a popular car, you feel me? So not even who would want a popular car, but who wouldn't want to fix a popular car that they know about. And as I hear, when I was just talking to the guy who did my kill switch, when I was talking to the guy who did my kill switch, he was like, bro, like, these cars are so simple to fix on, bro. You just gotta fix it. Like, you just gotta get under the hood and do it. He's like, your fear is always gonna be your biggest failure. Like, you being scared to get underneath that hood, you're going to always fail yourself because you're gonna constantly keep paying money. And sometimes we want to learn how to just go on YouTube and do it themselves. Alright, so we made it up to Ridge, man. I really just hate these rims, like I really do. Look, as soon as you start speeding, what you see a cop. I hate these fucking rims, like, they just annoying. Like, cutting up on Ridge is probably one of the scariest shits to do. Like, just because, like, coming up here, I was really cruising, little cop, two cars behind me, you feel me? Gotta get out of Dodge, brother. Look, everybody moving in the next lane, good looking. Let me get out of here real quick, you feel me? Gotta get out of here, for sure. Gotta get out of here. One thing about me, if you haven't noticed, if I'm on some shit and it's a cop nearby, but I'm a couple cars ahead, I'ma try my bestie to stay ahead. Like I really like, it don't even be, and it's really PTSD. Like I really got trauma from cops. Like I really dislike cops. Like I don't know why. It's just like not all cops are assholes, but majority of the time cops are being dickheads for no reason. Like, so I just stay far away, bro. Save me a headache, I save them a headache. It's to the point this year, like when it comes to law enforcement, enforcing the law, yeah, like, yeah, me and that just, yeah, like it just don't go hand in hand. So I'm gonna pick up the camera a little later, man. Probably on the way back to the highway at night, get a POV back to before, take my rooms to my mom's crib, you feel me? So I'm gonna hit y'all up later, man. Small little POV, not too crazy. The crazy part gonna happen at night. So, cause during the day, man, I don't know, it'll be a lot of cops just everywhere. Like they, especially up to Ridge, like up here. Oh God, yeah. But I'm gonna hit y'all up later, man. For real.
Who got beef for me? 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 Who got beef for me?